Hello guys, Trucker Tech here. Thank you for joining me. I've been asked if I could put out a video on a tutorial how to shoot. Well, um, I'm not the best coach out there, but I'll do my best. So I'm gonna give you some of the tips of what has helped me become a better shooter. So, first of all, I want to say safety. Wear goggles, wear gloves. Many times I have hurt myself, and in a sort of a way, I became afraid of shooting because I knew sooner or later I was going to get hurt. But if you wear protection, it helps a lot. So many times I have smacked myself in the face, in the eye, in the hands, and that has actually kind of deterred me from shooting for a while, and I put it away, but I always come back to it because I love the sport. So I highly recommend you to wear eye protection and gloves. Okay, that getting out of the way, I'm gonna tell you some of the tips that has helped me become a better shooter. So find yourself a good frame, good slingshot. There's many out there. SimpleShot, Omega, and by far the Hawkeye from Slingshot Sniper. That one is my favorite of all times. I just enjoy shooting that, and I'll never get tired shooting the slingshot. So, but SimpleShot, it's one of my other ones I like to shoot. I own many frames from SimpleShot, especially the Pro Series. And here's one of them, the LT2. As soon as this one came out, I believe as soon as I saw this that it was available, I ordered one. And I own two Pro Series, the classic ones, and I own a whole bunch of Scout frames. So, anyways, this is I haven't shot this one yet. I just because I have many frames to shoot, so this is my first time shooting this frame. So find yourself a good frame that you're gonna become comfortable with, and just keep shooting that one until you become accurate with it. Just by shooting 10 meters, they move up to 20 meters, 30, 40, and so on. Another thing, it's find yourself a good taper. If you like doing short draw, stick with it. All right. And I tried that. I'm okay with it, but I'm more of a full draw. Okay, I like that one. It's just, for me, it works better. So you find yourself a good taper, like I said. For me, 22, 14, and 360, and that is for gene pool only. When I use other bands that are very stretchy, I go a little shorter, like a 290, because they're so stretchy. I can achieve the wall that I'm looking for with the band. And what I mean with finding the wall is actually when you feel that resistance, when you can't go any further, and you just you get a feel for it. That's the wall. So find that and just shoot the 10 meters, small targets. Small targets will help you become a better shooter. So, and that's basically it, guys. Shooting is very simple, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Just have fun with it. Don't get frustrated if you can't hit the target. Just keep practicing and practicing, and sooner or later you'll become good. All right, the main key is practice. So practice with a purpose to become a better shooter. And that's it, guys. That's all I can tell you as far as as far as shooting. Now, as far as well, I can add a couple more things, and I think a lot of us know this. Make sure you keep your pouch straight. Make sure you pull evenly, and don't do this or that. You get 4 kids, and don't do this or this. So when you aim, move all together with the bands. Don't just aim down, because you're gonna get a 4 kit and you won't hit the target. So stay even with the target. And another thing I would like to add is pit pouch. Get yourself a pit pouch. I love pit pouches. It has helped me become a better shooter. I don't have to worry about, finding the center point of the pouch. So that's it, guys. Really, very simple. So just do that, and again, stay safe. And so now I'm gonna do some shots for you using this Scout LT2. This is the Pro Series. Everything on this Slingshot is aluminum. And I love this frame. This frame is from SimpleShot. You can find this frame at SimpleShot.com. And it's designed by Nate Masters. Nate Masters is a great guy, great shooter. And I think we owe a lot to him. Yeah, for providing some of the great, amazing frames. So thank you, Nate. Appreciate that. So there we go, guys. Stay tuned for some shots, and see you soon. Stick around. Pretty good shot. Thank you for watching. Stick around for more shots. right on the edge. Now, all of these shots I made, it was with the Scout LT2 by SimpleShot. You can find this beautiful slingshot in their website. I highly recommend you going there and see if you can purchase one. I mean, they're so affordable, and the quality is great. It's all aluminum. I love SimpleShot. It's a great company, designed by Nate Masters. Nate Masters is a great guy, excellent shooter, and I just can't say enough about SimpleShot. So go to the website, get you one, and maybe you can shoot and become accurate like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. Truck Attack out.